Over the past several days, I've spent quite a lot of time in Hyrule. I've discovered many things, but one particular secret stands out. A legend, if you will. You see, I was hanging around one of the stables, chatting up a few of the locals, when I began to hear whispers of this tale. I did a little digging, pulled a lot of strings, and managed to get an interview with one of the most elusive individuals in the land of Hyrule. I hope you enjoy. Hello? Hey, it's Borrowed Kitchen. Thanks so much for joining us today. Yeah, it's no big deal. Before we get ahead of ourselves, I'd like to introduce my guest. Korok, am I saying that correctly? Nah, man, it's Kevin, K-O-R-O-K, Kevin. Oh, okay, so sorry about that. Don't sweat it, it happens. So, Kevin, I was talking with Randy at the stables, and he informs me that nobody has been able to find you since 2017. Is that correct? Yeah, it's true. I mean, am I saying I'm the greatest alive? No, but that's only because I don't need to. The results speak for themselves. If you don't mind me asking, why did you guys hide to begin with? Why do anything, other than the fact that Kevin can do anything? That's what I always say. Right, but specifically, why did you guys decide to hide? Have you ever tried it? You know what? Never mind. Don't bother. They'd find you on day one. Of that, I am certain. What makes you say that? You lack the Kevin spirit. You think it's easy being this good? Because it's not. I bet when you were a kid, your mom fed you cereal, right? Cereal? Yeah. Do you know what I eat growing up? No. Greatness. And that's why can't any of these fools find me. Oh, okay. I guess that makes sense. So, shh. Somebody's coming. Should I let you go? Nah, don't worry about it. We're good. Just a bloopy and they couldn't even find me. That's how good Kevin is. You know what I'm saying? If you think you're great, ask yourself this. Can you hide from a magical owl rabbit? No? Didn't think so. I'll try and keep that in mind. What are your thoughts about this whole Demon King situation? Heard they found him hiding underground. What do I have to say about that? Do better. I mean, come on. It sounds like the guy wasn't even trying, if you ask me. Really? Underground? Nah, man. That's weak ass. Oh, okay. I mean, you have to admit it's pretty remarkable that the Zonites have been living in the sky this whole time. Do you even hear the things that you're saying? Remarkable? Nah, they were hiding in the sky. Whoa, so cool. Do you know what I hear? You know what that says to me? Zonites found. Kevin not found. Okay. Do you know what my biggest regret is? No, I can't say that I do. Kevin's greatest pain in life is that I will never be able to watch myself hide. Wow. That's, wow. Look, am I saying that I'm a god? No. Why? Because people are always finding him too. You know what they can't find? Kevin. That's right. Can't find him. Well, on that note, I think I speak for all of us here when I say it's been. Anyway, thanks for joining us today. We'll let you get back to. Please don't go. I'm sorry. Just okay. I'm afraid I don't follow. Okay, look, all right. Kevin is a hidden genius. There's no disputing that. But Kevin is. I'm also lonely. It's hard being at the top, looking down on all you lesser thans. Take you, for example, a cooking show about what? Do you even know? Well, we cook and tell stories, Kevin. Yeah, and that's the dumbest shit ever. But do you know what, Borrow Kitchen? You also deserve for somebody to find you. I mean, obviously not as much as me, but but some. Thank you, I think. Yeah, don't mention it. I mean, personally, I would never watch your show, but that's only because I have standards. I mean, you understand. Right, of course, sure. Well, I hate to rush off, but it's been real, Kevin. Thanks again so much for joining us today. Wait. I'm behind the rock. Coordinates -0175 5401 1297. Come and find me, please. Don't leave me out here all alone. Kevin, relax. Of course I'll find you. I mean, come on. Would I lie to you?